Tesla's upcoming Model Q has been making waves in the automotive world, and for good reason. This highly anticipated vehicle, according to Elon Musk, is reportedly set to hit the market in the first half of 2025, and it's generating a lot of buzz among both EV enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Everyone seems to have their own theories about what this new addition to Tesla's lineup will bring to the table, but one thing is clear. It's aiming to shake things up. People are speculating about what the Model Q will cost, and that's a big part of the excitement. The goal of Project Redwood, internally referred to as Model Q by Deutsche Bank, is to deliver a vehicle with a price tag under $30,000 after subsidies. However, with the federal EV rebate potentially expiring next year, analysts suggest the starting price of the Model Q might hover around $30,000. For context, Tesla's Model 3 currently starts at $42,490 in the USA, highlighting the significant affordability shift the Model Q could represent. Please hit that subscribe button to get content like this. Let's continue. The idea of a $30,000 Tesla isn't just about making EVs cheaper, it's about making them mainstream. Right now, one of the biggest barriers to EV adoption is cost. While there are plenty of benefits to owning an electric car, like lower running costs, fewer maintenance issues, and environmental advantages, the upfront price has kept many potential buyers on the sidelines. A lower-priced Tesla could change that dynamic completely. Imagine being able to buy a Tesla for the price of a mid-range gas-powered car. It's not hard to see why people are excited. But let's talk about what's driving this price point. Tesla's ability to bring down costs is partly due to advancements in battery technology. Batteries are one of the most expensive components of an electric car, and Tesla has been working hard to make them cheaper and more efficient. The company's new battery technology, which was unveiled during its Battery Day event, is expected to play a big role in the Model Q. These batteries are not only more affordable to produce, but also offer better performance and longer lifespans. The Model Q is expected to be about 15% smaller and 30% lighter than the Model 3, with an approximate length of 3,988 mm or 157 inches. Compared to the Model 3's 185 inches, 77 inches, compared to the Model 3's 185 inches. Its battery will also scale down proportionally to match the reduced vehicle size, reflecting Tesla's efforts to lower costs while retaining comparable range to other models. Reports suggest two variants will be available, a single-motor RWD and a long-range dual-motor AWD version. The base trim will house a 53 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery, whereas the AWD option is likely to come with a 75 kWh battery. Estimates indicate the vehicle might achieve up to 500 km, about 310 miles per charge, though specifics about whether this pertains to the RWD or AWD remain unclear. This kind of innovation is what Tesla is known for, and is one of the reasons the Model Q could hit that $30,000 mark. Range is another important factor to consider. One of the biggest concerns for potential EV buyers is how far they can drive on a single charge. Tesla has been a leader in this area, consistently offering vehicles with some of the longest ranges in the industry. While the Model Q might not have the same range as Tesla's more expensive models, it's still expected to be competitive. Example: reports suggest that the Model Q could offer a range of around 250 miles, which would be more than enough for most daily driving needs. This kind of range, combined with Tesla's extensive supercharger network, could make the Model Q a very practical option for many people. Another factor contributing to the Model Q's affordability is Tesla's manufacturing process. Over the years, Tesla has refined its production techniques to make them more cost-effective. The company's gigafactories are a big part of this equation. These massive facilities are designed to produce large quantities of batteries and vehicles at a lower cost. By leveraging economies of scale, Tesla can bring down the overall cost of its cars. For the Model Q, this means that Tesla can offer a high-quality vehicle without the high price tag. One of the things that makes the Model Q so intriguing is its potential to appeal to a broader audience. Tesla has always been seen as a premium brand. but the Model Q could change that perception. By offering a more affordable option, Tesla is likely to attract a whole new demographic of buyers. This could include first-time EV owners, younger drivers, and people who might not have considered a Tesla before because of the price. The Model Q could make Tesla's cutting-edge technology and sleek designs accessible to a much wider range of people. Of course, affordability isn't the only thing people are excited about. Tesla's reputation for innovation means that the Model Q is likely to come packed with features that make it stand out from the competition. While we don't know all the details yet, it's safe to assume that the Model Q will include many of the technologies that have made Tesla a leader in the EV market. This could include advanced driver assistance systems, over-the-air software updates, and a user-friendly interface. Even at a lower price point, Tesla is unlikely to compromise on quality or innovation. Another area where the Model Q could shine is in its design. Tesla's vehicles are known for their sleek, modern aesthetics, and the Model Q is expected to follow suit. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of Tesla's higher-end models, it's likely to be a stylish and attractive car that stands out on the road. Tesla's design philosophy has always been about combining form and function, and the Model Q is expected to continue that tradition. Performance is another big question mark for the Model Q. Tesla's vehicles are known for their impressive acceleration and handling, and many are wondering if the Model Q will live up to those standards. While it's unlikely to match the performance of Tesla's higher-end models, it's still expected to offer a fun and engaging driving experience. After all, even Tesla's entry-level Model 3 is known for its quick acceleration and responsive handling, most likely because of sober control of the wheel. If the Model Q can deliver a similar experience, it's likely to be a hit with drivers. Charging infrastructure is another area where Tesla has a significant advantage. The company's supercharger network is one of the largest and most reliable in the world, and it's a key selling point for Tesla vehicles. For the Model Q, this means that buyers will have access to a convenient and fast charging solution that makes owning an EV much easier. This kind of infrastructure is something that many other automakers are still working to build, giving Tesla a major edge in the market. The timing of the Model Q's release is also worth noting. It is rumored that Tesla has plans to launch the vehicle in the first half of 2025, and that timing could be significant. The EV market is growing rapidly, and competition is heating up. By introducing the Model Q at this time, Tesla could capitalize on the increasing demand for electric vehicles. The company's ability to deliver a more affordable option could help it maintain its position as a leader in the market, even as new competitors emerge. Another interesting aspect of the Model Q is how it might influence the broader automotive industry. Tesla has always been a disruptor, and the Model Q could push other automakers to rethink their strategies. If Tesla can deliver a high-quality, affordable EV, it could put pressure on other companies to do the same. This kind of competition could be good for consumers, as it could lead to more options and better pricing in the EV market. It's also worth noting that Tesla's innovations often have a ripple effect, influencing the entire industry. The Model Q could be another example of Tesla setting the standard for what an EV can be. Tesla has mastered the art of creating anticipation and using it to drive interest and sales. The Model Q is shaping up to be another shining example of this strategy. As the months go by and more details emerge, it's clear that this isn't just another car, it's potentially a cultural and technological milestone. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just someone curious about the future of driving, the Model Q is impossible to ignore.